Hello, my name is Jessica Linder-Gallo, and I'm the President and CEO of the Aurora Regional Chamber of Commerce. We're here today to talk to you about the Aurora Chamber Health Plan. Across the country, employers in recent years have found themselves struggling to manage the cost of their benefit plans and meet the needs of their employees. In a tough hiring market, great benefits have become a way to compete, and it's been increasingly difficult. In these last two videos, we've talked about the Aurora Chamber Health Plan that was organized to provide a strong alternative health plan to employers to help meet these challenges by creating a larger pool with quality health insurance and reliable providers. In today's episode, you'll hear how you can evaluate the health plan and decide if it's the right fit for you. With us today to talk more about it and help you decide how it can serve you and your business is Klaus Knuth and Brian Steiner from our partners at Konen Insurance. Klaus, Brian, thanks so much for joining us one last time here for these videos.
Oh, thank you, Jessica. The pleasure is all ours. We really appreciate doing this.
Awesome. Take it away.
Awesome. Thank you. So good morning, good afternoon, whatever it is when you're viewing us. We're happy that you're with us this morning and look forward to providing some meaningful content to you that helps you identify with how this might benefit you and your employees. So as we look at this, the first question I always ask is, what's in it for me, right? I heard someone say a long time ago that he subscribes to WIIFM. What's in it for me, right? And so how do we find out what's in it for you? Well, the first step is to contact us at Konen Insurance to set your no pressure consultation. We'd love to just sit with you and walk through how your current plan is operating, what your current benefits are, what the premiums are, and then have an opportunity to compare and contrast how this might fit into your current benefit offerings and how it might be different and beneficial. The website to find out whether your hospitals and doctors are in it is right here. It's www.firsthealth.com, and we'd encourage you to check that out and look through there and to see if your hospital is part of the network. It's a very robust network. Several chambers and several other organizations in this area have this network, and we know that it does a good job. So the things that you want to have ready for our meeting would be your current plan and premiums, and then questions for us like, how will this work? How is this different? How is it better for us than what we currently have? One of the ways that this is better in our eyes is that with a small market plan, small group plan, you don't really get claims reports. So you have no idea what you're spending. We talked in the first meeting about underwriting and how this is medically underwritten, which gives you the credit for the health of your population. And so here we're going to be able to demonstrate to you on a monthly basis how that health is working through the course of the year with some meaningful claims reports. We'll also help you identify a potential renewal based on the claims data that we get. We have enough groups in our pool with Medova that we are fairly scientific in how we analyze these claims reports and are able to then take the information from them and be able to project a renewal that is pretty accurate with what the underwriter actually provides. Our Medova renewal history is strong, very strong, and we'll cover that again on the next slide, but I can tell you it's right around 5% is the average increase that we are seeing with all of our clients that we have on the Medova platform. Medical, dental, and vision are integrated benefits with top-tier providers. So we have medical with Medova or healthy lifestyle plans, and then dental and vision are moving to MetLife and VSP for the vision service. So vision service plan, VSP, is the nation's leading network for eye doctors, and MetLife has one of the nation's largest dental networks. And you're going to be covered just fine with healthy lifestyle plans and with Medova. So one question that we have for you as a course of this video today is, how would immediate premium savings for your company make you feel? How would that help you help your employees? And if you pass those premium savings along to your employees, how would that make them feel to know that there's less coming out of their pocket for health insurance and for dental and vision? So that's something that we'd love to talk to you about as well. And Medova, again, like we mentioned in the last couple of series here, they operate with the core belief that long-term solutions to control healthcare costs is through individual health improvement and focus, which last time we talked significantly about the benefits of the wellness program and how we can help change behavior amongst your employees and their spouses that will help drive that meaningful change in their lives, which will also be reflected in long-term renewal rates. I've covered a lot of stuff here so far, Brian. Do you want to clarify anything or add anything here?
I think you've done a great job, Klaus. Yeah, I just want to add on the network. First Health is our primary network we use locally here, and we use that throughout the country as well too. So if a person is traveling, if we have an employee that resides outside the area, we would attach them to First Health as well too, and they would have a very robust network of providers.
Awesome, thank you. So as we keep going here, we're going to see what are the employer benefits. Well, like we mentioned in the first video, this is going to give you a very good alternative to the traditional carriers that operate in the marketplace. Again, we see the premium savings average between 5 and 15% from if you went to Medova and Health Lifestyle plans on your own. But if you go through us as a chamber, again, it's a 5 to 15% savings off of that, and off of the market, we tend to see a little bit more than that. Again, our average renewal is about 5%. We address population health management along with cost management via our robust wellness program and our integrated cost containment solutions. We have the 16 plan design options, and you can combine those in a number of different ways, all based on how many members you have or employees you have that enroll in the medical plan. And so a little bit more information about Medova and who is Lifestyle Health Plans. So Lifestyle Health Plans is a unique industry-leading group health benefits platform. They're a third-party administrator located in Wichita, Kansas. And they have many other affinity groups or associations, just like the Aurora Chamber, under their umbrella. And we have been working with them in this venue for several years now, and we've had very good success with them. Again, more about how we address population health management. We understand that healthcare benefits rank as one of the top 5 concerns for business owners today, which is why we've had these videos here for you, because we want you to understand that we are here to help you. The Chamber is here to partner with you and to partner with us to make sure that you are able to provide industry-leading benefits to your employees, which will help you not only attract, but retain those employees that can make a beneficial impact to your business. 75% of total U.S. healthcare costs are for the care of preventable diseases. And this is really where wellness and the Medova wellness plan really makes an impact for your employees, because we have seen over time where that meaningful engagement with the healthy lifestyle or Medova wellness solution can actually benefit your employees as much as it benefits you on the long-term premium. Next slides here as we keep going through, again, different deductible credit incentives, 16 different plan designs. The insurance companies that we partner with via our medical underwriting are going to be A-rated, top of the class, if you will. Again, then Healthy Choice, the 80/20 PPO plans, 100% plans for the Healthy 100, cost-conscious plans. So if you want the Healthy Value, those are, again, going to be the plans that help you drive your premium point down as much as possible. And then we have the consumer-driven high-deductible health plans. And then, again, just a little bit more elaboration. We're looking at that in just a little bit different light. And then here we see a map of the country that is broken down by states that Medova offers coverage or healthy lifestyles. And we see here gray for Florida, Maine, and a couple other states. And all that means is that your business cannot be situs there, which as a member of the Aurora Chamber, we know that you're right about here. And that means that we're A-okay, we're green. And so we have the green light, we can proceed. And what is this right here? Case study, renewal. Well, this is gonna be a case study of a group that has been with Medova for quite some time. They have 115 people or employees on their health plan. They have 71% of their population participating in wellness, which is a very large percentage. And their average rate increase in 2016 was between 10 to 14% prior to coming over, right? And then the renewal rate increase with Medova was 0%. They were 3 years on the plan with a 0% rate increase. I don't know about you, but if I had a 0% rate increase for 3 years, I would be hooting, hollering, and dancing. You don't want to see that, but that's what I do.
No, we don't.
So this is my first client that I wrote with Medova with Healthy Lifestyle Plans in 2018 in an affinity or association plan, much like what we have here. And they have 28 employees. The last slide we showed you was 115. What if you don't have 115 employees? That's okay. Here is a 28 life group, 28 employee group. Their premiums with the prior carrier, you can see here, were $340,000. The average premium with Medova, not average, I'm sorry, the annual premium was $116,826. That was for the whole, that was the savings. So that's a phenomenal savings, right? So 34% savings from the prior plan. Remember earlier where we showed you 5 to 15%? That was if you went to Medova or Healthy Lifestyle Plans on your own. 5 to 15% savings off of that if you go through the chamber, but off of market, we see 34% savings. This client has renewed. They just renewed their contract for September 1st. And guess what their renewal was for September 1st? It was a 0% renewal. So they were happy. I was happy. And this is really what we want. The reason that we're spending so much time talking to you about this, have this video series for you, is because this actually works, and it works well for our clients. And that's why we're partnering together with the Chamber, and the Chamber is partnering with us, with you. So really the next steps are really to reach out to us, to one of us at Konen Insurance, and let's get our no pressure consultation scheduled so that we can walk through with you how this might actually help you help your employees.
Awesome. Well, Klaus, Brian, thanks so much for joining us, not just for this video, but for all three in this series. It's so helpful, especially in this last one, to have those real life examples of how this is working for other employers. So this information is really great, and I'm sure people are going to have questions and want to learn more. So I'm going to reiterate a couple of the ways Klaus has pointed out, a couple of next steps for you. So one is going to be, just like he said, reach out to the team at Konen. This is a no obligation, no pressure situation. Really, we have partnered with Konen so that we have people around you that can help you answer your questions, evaluate the plan, and figure out what's going to be absolutely best for your business and your employees. So I encourage you to start that conversation with them and see what might work or what might be a good option. And then second is going to be to go ahead and log into your Chamber website and download the information. Any of the documents you've seen here can be downloaded from the Member Information Center simply by logging in at business.aurorachamber.com/login and clicking on that Resources tab. So two great ways to continue evaluating some of these resources. We hope that you'll find them to be a benefit. Thanks so much for everyone who has tuned in with us, and we hope to talk to you very soon.